Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I was up at 4:20. I got on the road. I'm about 140 miles outside of Thunder Bay. I pulled over to park, and now I gotta wait for this train to go by. Anyways, yeah, been a long night, but good driving. I slept though at the bed at about 9 o'clock. So yeah. And now we're at the side of a road or the highway. It's getting colder. And yeah. Yeah. Getting colder out, but other than that, it's all good. Okay, I love you all. I'll talk to you later. I'll touch base. I'm going to have a rest, I think. And then I'll touch base when I get to Thunder Bay. Okay, bye-bye. That's the second train in about 10 minutes. Traffic's not too bad. Look at that sky, boy. There. This is why you burn off your diesel heater. Burn all the soot out of it. Well, that's all I need. My diesel heater, for some reason, is not running. I started it a couple of times, but just started to smoke after a while. Looks like the pump was working. Looked like the fan was working. I would say when they say it's white smoke, it's not igniting, so I would say it's the glow plug or something. I don't have an extra one with me because we thought the one that was in there before looked alright, so I don't know, but I don't know what the problem is. Anyways, I typed Mark, the guy that helped me put it in. Well, he put it in actually. I helped him. Yeah, so hopefully he'll text me, and it says something about E10, but I can't find it in the book. That's the error, E10. So I would imagine that it says that something's gone. So I don't know. Anyways, I noticed my eyes were a little bit burning, or yeah. Anyways, okay, well, the van heater works. We'll have to use that for now. Okay, I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.
Sometimes things happen beyond your control, as if they have a life of their own. The choices you make, what appears to be right, seems you just have no say. As if you're a witness to your own mistakes, it's easy to play along after you see what the choices came to be, like a storm that's passed on. Oh, the brain down the drain, oh, the fuse, the abuse. Oh, please, storm-felled trees, oh, the fight over who's right.
Oh yeah. Just when you thought it was getting better.
Like trying to memorize the Bible backwards.
Not that cold yet. I got jackets, I'll keep warm. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah. Maybe when I get the Calgary or something. I mean, the heater in the van still works, so I can keep that going. And yeah, I've slept in the van -7, -12, I think, the most in BC, so I think it'll be all right. Yeah. Sure love the diesel heater though. But anyway, okay, talk to this later.
Our friend the wolf has come to show a new beginning needs an end. Away with your say, today you are gonna pay. If not now,
Yep, timing's everything. Diesel heater just went on the and it's snowing in Nipigon. Yep, first bit of snow. Not a lot, but it's snow. Okay. Yeah. That's all I need. Lovely. Well, we made it. Thunder Bay, Terry Fox Memorial. Wow. The heck of a hike to get up here. But yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining. I was just thinking, holy geez, made the guy walk all the way up a mountain just to get here. But anyways, beautiful spot. And, well, you know, we're having fun, but yeah. It's the first time I've been to Thunder Bay this way driving. Last time I came through, I went around. Yeah, I went around Lake Superior, on the other side, I guess. I didn't come up this way. Anyways. Excuse me. I'm gonna get going. We'll see you later. I gotta go back. Bob's in the car. I forgot about him. Okay. Ciao. And this is me. Hello. How are you? I finally made it up here. Hello. Yes, okay. We're gonna go grab something to eat, and then we're gonna head her to Dryden, I think. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Love yous. Talk to you later. Bye.